Breaking news now coming in about film star Kangana Ranaut. Remember, there's a war of words between the Shiv Sena members of parliament and Kangana Ranaut, alleged threat given to her, and therefore now, amid the face-off, Kangana Ranaut has been given a security cover. Sources confirming to India Today that Kangana Ranaut will be given Y-level security by the Union Home Ministry. That's the big news here on India Today. Remember, she's been very defiant. She's been very fierce in her response against the Shiv Sena MP, saying, you cannot threaten me and I will come to Mumbai on the 9th of September. So that's the big news coming in on your screens. On one side, Shiv Sena MP Sanjay Raut, on the other, Kangana Ranaut, the video that was released yesterday, and very fierce, saying, who are you to tell me how and when I should come in? And I never criticized Maharashtra. I only questioned people like you. She's in fact told Raut, people like you are enabling harassers. Munish Pandey, with all the latest. Munish, that's big that Kangana Ranaut is set to get a Y-level security, which is usually given to high-profile cases or perhaps somebody in the establishment.
Yeah, well, we have been given to understand by our sources that Kangana Ranaut has been given white category security, and that too citing threat perception. And because from last sometimes we are seeing there was lot of comments from the politicians from Maharashtra government and also from Kangana Ranaut, and she's supposed to land on 9th of this month. So now we have been given to understand from our sources that she has been provided Y category security. This Y category security will have almost 11 personnels, including 1 or 2 commandos. So this is a very big development as far as Kangana Ranaut is concerned, because from last few weeks we can say that it started from Kangana Ranaut asking for Sushant Singh Rajput justice, but then it turned into some other angle, and then there was a word of wars between Kangana Ranaut and Maharashtra government, and now she is getting security. Now we have to wait and watch, because there will be a lot of politics behind this security being provided by MHA.
All right, keep tracking all the latest. That's big news coming in.